Curly hair is primarily determined by genetics. The shape and texture of hair are determined by the structure of the hair follicle, which is genetically determined. The specific gene responsible for curly hair is not yet fully understood, but it is believed to involve multiple genes. The shape of the hair follicle plays a crucial role in determining whether hair is straight, wavy, or curly. If the follicle is relatively round, the hair grows straight. If the follicle is slightly oval or elliptical, the hair tends to be wavy, and if the follicle is more asymmetrical or flattened, the hair tends to be curly. In addition to genetics, other factors can influence the curliness of hair. Hormonal changes, such as those that occur during puberty or pregnancy, can alter the shape of the hair follicle and result in changes in hair texture. Environmental factors, such as humidity, can also affect the degree of curliness in some individuals. Hair care practices, such as heat styling, chemical treatments, or certain hair products, can temporarily alter the appearance of curls or make straight hair appear curly. It's important to note that hair texture and curl patterns can vary widely among individuals. There is a wide spectrum of curl types, ranging from loose waves to tight coils, and individuals can have different curl patterns on different parts of their heads.